I'm Anshul Pallod. I'm a second year B.Sc student majoring in biotechnology and chemistry. This is our biotechnology lab where we apply our theoretical knowledge practically. From the last 2 years, we have been having different subjects like microbiology, biochemistry, and cell biology, where we do a number of experiments. For my research on microplastics, I've used the instrument UV spectrophotometer, where I got samples from the cafeteria and I used it to check the contents of salt and sugar in the UV spectrophotometer. We have done a lot more experiments, like we've separated the components of blood, and we've also found, we have also cultured different bacteria.
My experience in this microbiology lab and chemistry lab and every labs has been very good. Whatever we learned in the theoretical classes, we applied those knowledge over in the labs where I can see what is actually happening in the practical sessions. And not only that, my patience and teamwork has been very good after starting the labs over here, because it requires patience and teamwork to get the project done. And I've been recently I've worked on spirulina, that is nothing but a dead algae, where we use it to decontaminate water from wastewater treatment.
Hello, I'm Vaishnavi from B.Sc Honours Biotechnology and Chemistry. I have been doing biotechnology for the past 2 years, and this lab has helped me give me more hands-on experience in biotechnology. And last semester I've done more research about the drug Dolo 360, where I grew plants and I had to measure its shoot and root length as well as the chlorophyll content. And this lab has helped me achieve my goal of doing more research.